Balenciaga might kill me for saying this, but I'm gonna say it anyways. Here is how you could generate dangerously creative ideas, even if you're uncreative. Have you ever wondered why some people are able to come up with creative ideas and inventions, new things in general, out of thin air? Whereas when you try to do something similar, you just feel stuck, empty. There's nothing going on in your brain. It's not because they're born with a specific gene in their brain that's coded for creativity, but it's because our brains operate in a completely different way. And being someone who's been questioned over and over again, I'm not trying to brag here, it's nothing to brag about. How are you able to come up with such new ideas so frequently out of thin air? I've broken down my brain pattern and how other creative people come up with ideas, and I've broken it down into a simple 2-step formula. This is called component alteration. This is so important for people in general to know so that they don't feel behind in terms of, I'm not able to come up with creative ideas, I feel different, I feel less significant then. It's simply a way of thinking that you can program your brain to think like this, like on pilot mode. You can use component alteration for absolutely anything. It is basically the formula for creating new ideas, new concepts, inventing things. I'm going to come up with something completely random in which I have no experience in, just to prove to you how useful this formula is. Let's say that I own a podcast and I want to come up with a podcast that stands out from the rest. Completely different, completely unique, requires creativity, right? So let's come up with ideas out of thin air. Step 1, components. The first thing we're going to do is list out the components of a podcast setup. Simply, we have the background, location, guests, who's being featured on the podcast, topics, duration of podcasts, conversation, cameras. So we've listed out a couple of components of a podcast, and now is when the magic happens. Alteration. Alter means to change. So this is where the magic happens, in which we come up with new ideas out of thin air. What we're going to do is alter all the components that we've listed so that we're able to come up with something new just by changing something small about one of the components. So now we're stuck. It's like, okay, I can alter them, but how do I alter them? My favorite thing to do is something that I'm going to make up called atypical thinking. In this case, let's say the guests. What is typical of guests on a podcast? They tend to be well-recognized people who are popular. What would be interesting is if you invited people who are the complete opposite of that. People who have no fame, no popularity, yet are very interesting guests to have on your podcast. We can talk about maybe instead of hiring Elon Musk, we hire Elon Musk's private chef. So celebrities, private chef. Or even people who live ordinary lives in which us people who are online do not ever connect with. Homeless people. Or someone who works 16 hours a day. Background and location. If we do things atypical to a studio of a nice looking set, why don't we do the complete opposite of a nice looking set? Actually, the Matan Evans podcasts. And of course, his really weird, almost looking like a basement setup podcast studio fits in with the weird things that he asks and the weird guests that he has on his podcast. Now that I think about it, Matan Evans uses component alteration all throughout his podcast. Matan Evans is a really creative and funny guy. Duration, top podcasts tend to be around 40 minutes to an hour long. Sneeko did something called the 1 minute podcast. And Sneeko is one extremely creative creator on YouTube. And he did this. That was done technically through component alteration. Guys, this can be applied to absolutely everything. And I've shown that through something which is kind of hard to come up with new ideas for, because it's just a podcast. Like, what new things can you come up with? If you had a pair of pants and you broke down the different components, you have the buttons, you have the zip. If you alter them, you can come up with completely new products or ways to make the product stand out from the rest. For example, instead of having circle buttons, you could have star-shaped buttons or triangular-shaped buttons or square buttons. If you practice this every single day, I can promise you that you will become more creative. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.